guys, so it's day number 13. We back with another Vlogmas video.
I keep track of them days though. I lost track. Really.
We back with another video. But now, like I was saying, it's a 13 day. Cause babe, you gotta know what day it is today.
How you know? But we can start it off.
No, we gonna keep this because you just gotta know what day it is. You don't know what day it is?
Hell no.
That's your problem. So y'all, this is our fit for the day. We about to go out to eat. We haven't really been vlogging this week because we just been so busy with working and whatever we've been doing, whatever arguments we've been talking about, arguing about. So we have not been vlogging this week, unfortunately, but we are back. I won't say we back and we better because we never know what might happen within the time period. But we back with another video today, okay? So tell them, baby. Tell them what we doing. Tell them what we doing.
Man, we about to take it to Green Lemon. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Cat's gonna drive today. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm a boss, so I'm gonna be in that passenger seat.
Wait, I'm gonna drive today?
Yeah, you gonna drive today. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna get this shit rolling.
I ain't driving today.
Yes, you is.
Y'all, I'm not driving. It's dark outside. I don't drive in the dark.
Well, you gonna have to drive today.
We stay home.
Look, cause we got video evidence that, you know what I'm saying, that I've been driving most of the time.
Okay,
Y'all see
it's
us.
okay. That's you a nigga. You supposed to. You my nigga.
But
Niggas supposed to drive. Do you really want to be up?
No.
Okay, then so you can drive.
Look. But I still want to feel like a boss too, cause you know.
Not today.
I'm feeling good today. You know what I'm saying? I got bread in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? You about to get some damn bread today. You know what I'm saying? We working with a little something.
Anyway, y'all, no, I'm not driving. I don't like it's dark. We can stay home. We can eat some pizza and wings. That's what you want to do?
No, we gonna go to Green.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
You know what I'm saying?
We'll be back and watch. Let's see who's driving.
Nah, she gonna be in that driver's seat.
Flashback.
Alright, YouTube, man, we outside and shit. We about to go put this shit in the car. Let me show y'all the last look on it. That look pretty good, right? Yeah, I should be an art teacher. Yes, sir. But yeah, I'm about to gonna put it in the back of the car. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I done outdid myself, boy. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm amazed at how this shit came out. Look at the back of the car. Ain't nothing out there. Check this out. Check this out. Wham! Boy, tell me that shit ain't professional. Tell me that shit ain't professional. Boy, my shit coming out like James Bond. You know what I'm saying? 007. Hey, so winning this bitch. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hey, we about to get this prank on. Let's get it. Shit, we in this bitch.
You want me to drive because you don't want to seem like you be driving all the time? That's what a nigga's supposed to do.
Yeah, man, but sometimes...
No. Why would you want me to drive at night? Like, that shit don't make no sense. Like, why would you want me to drive at night? I just don't understand that part.
Well, it's not that bad, man. You just gotta start facing your fears.
It's not no fear. I don't like to. Like...
Oh, there ain't no light in this bitch.
What's the aggravating, bro? Where you are?
Yeah, see how mad she get driving and shit? Damn. Y'all gonna see this shit.
Because you know I don't like to drive at night. Like, if somebody know that you don't like to drive at night, why would you have me drive? Like, you want me to wreck, you want me to get into a fucking accident, don't you?
You ain't gonna wreck.
Damn, you fucking aggravating me, bro. I could've stayed home for this shit.
Yeah, you got that.
Just don't talk. Just don't talk.
Right.
If you want to talk to that.
I'm treating you out to dinner and shit.
No, because you want to treat somebody, a real nigga would have fucking drove and everything else. I don't care about that little money that you got, bro.
I'm not even trying to count it. I was just trying to, know what I'm saying? Shit, it's type crazy. Hey, make sure you
because you know I can't see at night. Like,
shit.
Bro, you know I can't see at night.
Wow, dang.
Like, I don't even know why you fucking playing with me. Especially a place I don't know where to go.
You can go.
It's too late. Since I'm driving, I know. Since I'm driving, I'm
got me a little turbo in this bitch. I need to start charging.
It doesn't matter. I can't see.
I need to start charging for that shit, man.
Fucking can't even fucking.
Motherfucker, they don't got shit up in this motherfucker. That shit get out the hole.
I don't even know who in this lane or who not.
Let's go. Let me feel it. Oh, that's a red light.
I swear I could have stayed at home for this shit.
Why you such in a bad mood?
Because you know I don't like driving at night. Like I don't like driving at night. You trying to play and shit, like, bro. But it's alright, cause this your piece of shit car.
Oh, nah, we caught that shit on camera.
This your piece of shit car.
Hey, about 2 videos ago, she wanna make a big deal saying that. Damn, you gotta show the deal. Why you so close to the deal?
Because you notice how I drive. Like, stop playing with me, bro.
She be right there by the steering wheel. Look.
You
she be right there by the
so
steering wheel.
funny.
I'm talking about, hey, I told her if she get into an accident, man, that airbag, boy, she gonna wish she haven't survived that bitch. That bitch gonna be bah! Right there in your motherfucking face. The airbag gonna take you out. Not even an accident.
Just be quiet. I told you don't talk to me. I told you don't talk to me.
This is how a boss should feel, man. Just being the passenger.
No, a boss don't let his girl drive. Like, I don't know why. Stop saying you're a boss.
That's the feeling I'm getting right now.
No, it's not a feeling. It's not. That shit not cool. That shit not even nice. Like, a boss don't let his girl drive with a fucking bad tire, guys. Come on, you probably tired.
It's not that bad.
You probably tired. A bad tire. A real nigga don't let his girl. If they in the car, a girl don't supposed to drive.
I like you driving.
No, I said don't talk to me. Talk to the camera.
I'm so used to.
Don't talk to me. Don't turn this way. Don't look at me. Look at the camera. I can feel your hot ass breath. Don't do that.
She trying to
I'm not even being funny. I ain't put no eyelashes on, y'all. This how I'm just feel under the weather. I just want to be by myself. I ain't do nothing. Put no makeup on. Put no eyelashes on. Nothing.
Yeah, he been real moody lately, man.
What the fuck? Who the fuck? What?
I don't know.
Babe, you can end this call, in this vlog.
Nah, we good, man.
Why you keep wanting to have it playing? You not recording nothing. What's so funny?
I am recording, man. I just love you driving and stuff, man.
So yeah, we caught 11 minutes of me driving.
Yeah, we gotta make it there. And then that's all about vlogging. You know what I'm saying? We letting them into our life. You know what I'm saying? Third one.
This car up there is fancy.
I don't be no. Oh yeah, see, at the next segment, so at the light, you make it right.
This car.
That's one thing.
This one, the next one, right?
Right here, the light.
You said
I said the light. I said the light.
Lord Jesus, you told me the third light. This was the second light.
I said at the light.
I thought you talking about that light. You said the second damn light, bro.
Yeah, I thought the second light had a light, but it didn't. It was just a street.
What? It was 3 lights. It was whatever. You need
I
to know your light. You need to look down there. What light?
Looking.
What light?
Just keep on going straight. Shit,
because you said turn. You
I
did
said
right.
Turn at the light.
You said turn. To go straight.
Yeah, keep going straight.
I don't know what this car right here was doing.
There you go. That bitch be driving angry out here. She's a road rager.
this downtown, they be playing and stuff. I think I gotta get in that nigga.
You just gotta go straight for
I think
0.4
this lane go
miles.
turn right.
Yeah, you can be in the middle, man.
Yeah,
I can't see shit.
I think this lane gonna turn. Oh shit! I did not see that car.
Damn. You ain't see no car?
I hope I see that car right there, but I hope he wasn't behind me. I seen this car behind me. See, that's the thing. I knew I was about to turn this way. 1, 2, 3. 9 more minutes and I'll be there.
9 more minutes, then we arrive.
Then I gotta park in these small behind. Oh Jesus, baby! What did you want me to drive out over here for? Why did you want me to?
Don't you like driving? Know what I'm saying? Now you face your fear. You say that you couldn't drive at night.
I didn't say I couldn't drive at night. I said I didn't want to drive at night. I used to drive from work at night. I don't like to drive at night.
Yeah, it's not that bad. No, shoot.
I
like you driving.
I don't like that because when another female look in the car, they looking like, oh, that nigga is ain't shit ass nigga. That nigga
As long as they knew the truth.
That nigga using her. He broke. He a bum letting her drive. Cause shit, that's what I would be saying.
I don't know who nerve you trying to stroke, but
nah,
that ain't mine.
I'm just joking. Bitches. Wait, did I turn right here?
Yeah, no, make it right. No, go straight. Turn this way. Don't worry about it.
This is a turning lane. This is a turn. I go straight in this one.
Yeah, you gotta keep on going straight. That's what I said.
Okay, I had to get. Well, you used to let me know at the wrong time.
I didn't tell you to make a left turn. I said go straight.
I was already in one lane.
Driving,
I was already in one lane, and the lane was turning left. You should have been said, "Babe, get out that lane. Keep going straight."
But
you tell me. He tell me when I ran at the light, bro. How can I get over?
Did I tell you to make it left? Did I tell you to make it left?
This is the stuff I'm talking about. He don't comprehend what I'm saying.
Hey,
Did you hear what I said?
But why would
which way to go? Turn this way.
Keep going straight. That's what I said. Just keep going.
No, you told me to go straight, like right here where I'm about to get in line. How can I?
You gotta look at the streets.
You need to tell me where to go. And not the last minute.
You gonna turn? Let me move up. It says South Boulevard.
Oh shit!
So that's way up though.
But I can't go straight.
Yes, you can. That's your lane right there.
Oh, because bitch, I was about to go straight. I was about to go straight.
Straight in what?
Straight across.
Oh yeah, she definitely can't see. You would have seen somebody else grill.
It's a good thing this car came right here because now I can kind of see it. And why you got the camera all on me?
Shit, I'm slouched to the side so I can be in. I can just move it over. I'm saying, I'm just scared to be on camera. I ain't scared to be on camera. You know what I'm saying? I'm over here still counting money. Still counting money. Just like Gucci Man said, still counting money.
Bitch, I just fucking.
Dang. I hope they ain't talking to us, bitch.
Right, bitch, I just fucking. Oh, can't be talking. Probably is. Where'd it go? The light just fucking turned, ho.
Turn left.
What?
Turn left right here.
See, that's what I'm talking about with you. You be letting me know at the last fucking minute, bro.
We getting close. We 5 minutes away.
I can go? No. Can I go?
If you want to.
See, he gonna be telling me shit. That's I hate driving because this nigga be fucking useless. Which way to go? Which way?
Just keep going straight. You turn left on Fairmount.
How far?
It's 0.4 miles.
They say turn at a light or something?
They don't say it. It's coming up though. It's a quarter mile now. So it's 1, 2. It's probably the third or fourth one. 600 feet.
600 feet?
Yeah, 300.
So,
now.
right here?
Yeah, it's over here, right.
Oh, hell no. Come on, car. Fuck. What your fucking ass laughing for?
That like Drake. Man, you could scoot on past, man. It's 2 lanes.
Man, no. Not about to do all that shit.
Yeah, I wish I could just keep flipping the camera so y'all can see, but can't do that.
I'm not about to play with these cars in these little small behind streets. I can't drive like that in these little spaces. This now. All them damn cars was on that damn shit. Nigga,
Go.
You wait. I'm driving. How you gonna tell me what to do and I'm driving? What the fuck?
Damn.
Who the fuck is?
Go.
They gonna wait.
Oh,
Got some big bright ass fucking lights and shit. Like damn, what the fuck is these cars keep doing? Bitch. Okay. Okay.
go, man.
What the fuck?
What they doing?
That car was rude as fuck. Why he keep?
Damn.
Where'd it go? Cause I'm just so aggravated right now.
Turn west on Swan Avenue.
How the fuck you keep beeping the fucking horn, bro? What you want me to do? Got into
Motherfuckers out here.
where to go?
Got impatient.
Go where? Turn where? Turn where?
I said Swan, man. It's that last street right there.
Thank you. You should have said look at the thing and
I
said
am looking at it. I said the road.
no, you could have said the stop sign, babe. Or it's show a stop sign on the damn phone. Like, bro, I don't know if I'm supposed to turn on these side streets or what. Y'all about to have me get into a car accident out here. I swear. Y'all get on my damn nerves.
That's the main reason why
Then why you didn't drive? That's the thing I don't understand. Like, bro, you starting to piss me off. Like, okay. What a fucking go place and you laughing and shit.
Turn on Howard.
Can you look at the damn light?
The light?
Which way? Right or left?
Left. Oh shit. Golly. We almost there, y'all. We almost there. Shit.
I swear, y'all. Like,
I swear what? I swear.
Just
What's the name of that song? No,
why you can't talk that way? You talking this way and I can't
she
fucking.
back with that damn hot bro.
No, you, nigga, what the fuck you mean, me?
Yeah, you saying that I got hot bro.
I didn't say you, and you just screaming in my ear. Where'd it go?
It's right here on the right. Keep going. It's 800 feet.
I don't know how to park into these places. Right here?
Keep going.
Too late, Stu.
Turn right.
Can't turn right here.
Yes, you
Jesus.
can. You could have parked.
No, you can't park right there.
Yeah.
What the fuck? No, you can't. It was no cars there, bro.
Alright, do you turn.
Damn.
Just turn at the gas station right there.
But you about to park?
No, you can park.
We about to walk?
No, just do U-turn.
Bro, I swear, I'm just over this fucking day. Like, don't know why. That's so stupid. Now I gotta like cut across. Come on, y'all. Should have just did a damn U-turn.
That was it.
No, a U-turn going that way behind the places. Still, come on.
Oh, you hot. Oh man, we gonna get there. We gonna get there.
Crazy, stop talking.
What? The guy talking. I'm talking to you two now. I ain't talking to you. You're almost there. You gotta hold on. Our life is too strong.
Is a car behind me?
Niggas out here following people. Go ahead and do your U-turn right now. Come on. Do it.
Bro, it's a whole bunch of cars coming right here.
All the way back there, bro. Oh, damn, I'm trying to end this damn vlog too. Shit. Darn.
Now I gotta put my fucking blinkers on. I don't like this shit.
Ain't no cars behind you.
It is a car behind me. I don't even know where the fucking turn is.
This is the second one. Not this one. Alright, you can slow it down. Right. Go ahead, right.
What the fuck, bro?
Damn. People just got angry at you. Dude.
Y'all think it's funny and shit.
Damn, that's fucked up.
You think it's funny and shit, okay.
Yeah, where you gonna park at? Oh, we parked that last time. Shit, this is a park right here. 10-minute parking. Alright, this park goes down. Across the street, the parking right there. Go across the street.
Stop talking!
I'm trying to let you know, shit. You the one that said, oh, I don't mean nothing, you know what to do.
That's pretty fun.
I got some truck seat double, bro. Hey. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they having a party.
Oh,
Yeah, they throwing money. I thought they was throwing money.
Oh,
Yeah,
hell
they
no.
fucking that bitch up. Alright, what you trying to do? They put that limousine up though. God damn.
Somebody got our damn parking spot and shit. I'm over this shit too. There's no fucking parking spot. Handle this bitch. Cause I'm not gonna be able to do this.
Alright, y'all. The prank is officially over. Teams don't win it. We finally made it.
Wait, baby, you got the car back. Move back this car. Move for this car. That's not no parking spot.
Oh shit, damn. Look how close you sit up to the damn seat. See, now that's why I drive, man. Cause motherfucker like sitting next to her all this damn time, that shit drive you crazy. You wanna jump out the car,
Wow.
dude. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, Team Zoe winning in this bitch.
Yo.
You already know how it is.
Yo. That shit fuck. Wait, watch out, man.
Team Zoe in this bitch.
Look who about to get into an accident. You.
Yeah, they ain't hot. They honked at you. They honked at you, sorry. You know what I mean? Man, come on, y'all get out my goddamn way. You know what I'm saying? Real driver come through this bitch. Yeah, they already know it's a different. Oh, she in my way.
What? Shit.
She alright. Yeah, alright. I go around her.
Wow.
Yeah, Team Zoe in this bitch. You already know how. Yeah. Gotta get up in here. Yeah, why this bitch so packed? I ain't gonna lie.
Saturday night and it's not late.
Yeah. Car's gonna be popping tonight. That's Team Zoe in this bitch. Hey, you already know. You might as well tell them that you got pranked. You know what I'm saying? It was a good one. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Ayana. You know what I'm saying? You looked out on that one. You know what I'm saying? Lifesaver. Yes, you know what I'm saying? We got him. We got him. We gonna end this shit. We gonna end this shit
Ayana,
soon, man.
that's what you damn wrote in the back of my damn car?
Nah, I did that.
Wow.
I did that. She gave me the idea.
Wow. No, one of them girls was laughing.
Oh, shit, go on. I'm trying to go that way. Alright, y'all, man. Hey, we gotta go sit down. We trying to find Parker right now, but it's official. She done got pranked.
That was a good one. I was mad as shit.
Like, comment, and subscribe. I told y'all we gonna get her. I told y'all we gonna get her. Alright, y'all.
Park up something.